In this video, we will show you how to remove and replace your wristband. First, turn the device over and locate the small silver quick-release pins on each wrist strap. To remove the existing wrist straps, slide the quick-release pin toward the center of the device and pivot the strap away from the device. To put the new wrist strap on the device, insert one side of the horizontal bar on the new band into the device and then slide the quick-release pin toward the center of the device. Pivot the strap into the device, sliding the quick-release pin back into position once the strap is firmly in the device.